Let's talk about Okinawa. Okinawa is a warm, tropical island in Japan. The beaches in Okinawa are beautiful. It has crystal clear water and soft white sand. The oceans around Okinawa has colorful coral reefs. Thousands of sea creatures live in the reef. Snorkeling and scuba diving are very popular in Okinawa. The water around Okinawa is a turquoise color. It changes to dark blue in the deep. Okinawa has a subtropical climate. Summers are very hot and humid. Winters are warm. Okinawa has its own unique culture, music, and food. It feels very different from the rest of Japan. Okinawan food uses fresh ingredients from the sea and land. Fish, vegetables, and pork are all important. Okinawan people can live long, healthy lives. A relaxed lifestyle and fresh food are two reasons for this. The islands have thick forests and mangroves. Nature is found everywhere you look. Okinawa has beautiful beach resorts. Visitors can swim, snorkel, and relax by the water. The islands have a long history. Ancient castles found in Okinawa are now World Heritage Sites. Okinawa is popular with families, couples, and divers from all over the world. Okinawa is a paradise of blue water, white sand, and warm sunshine. It is a beautiful destination.